Okay, folks, we are going to go ahead and get you started on the platform. So we'll set up your first organization as well as get your company baseball card and also your initial data shelf set up. So let's start by logging in, hitting dashboard, and then we'll go down here to the bottom left where it shows your organization and just click there. If you don't have an organization yet, it'll probably show your personal workspace. So we'll just click there and then hit create organization. And that'll bring up this create organization screen where you can name your organization either after your company or perhaps a business unit within your company. And then you can go ahead and invite people to that organization by entering their email address, hit enter, and then send an invite. So everybody you want to have in that organization, you should include them by way of sending them an email. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and set up your baseball card. So we're going to go down to settings. Right, make sure you're in that new org, hit settings and go up to organization. And then here in the baseball card screen, we're going to essentially input our company overview statement. So include things like your socioeconomic set aside, core capabilities, some past performance information, perhaps some of your NAICS codes, things that you would probably have on a corporate capabilities statement that you might hand out at a conference, for instance. And once we're good with that, we'll go ahead and hit save. And then let's start up your data shelf. So we're going to create a new proposal. We'll name this new war room your data shelf or your data repository, and then we'll hit new. We'll turn off auto create draft because we want to start with a blank sheet of paper. So we'll go ahead, and what we want to do is import all of your sort of best-in-class proposals that you've written before. Those types of proposals that you want to have indexed by the AI as you're writing new proposals, we're going to want to copy and paste those proposals in. So we'll have to repeat this process for each additional proposal that you want to have in the system. So we'll do that within that data shelf war room, and you'll just repeat the process of clicking new document, turn off auto create draft, and then copy paste your old content into this new blank sheet of paper. So we'll name this one of my old proposals, Drop Bear. You'll see it gives me a blank sheet of paper, and I simply just copied and pasted in the content from my old proposal. Now it's there in my data shelf war room, so that proposal, once I have clicked out of that document, it is immediately indexable by the AI. So it can be picked up and used by the AI as I'm writing my new proposals. And like I said before, you want to repeat that process, right? Hit new in the top right there and just create a blank document and copy paste as many times as you have to create a corpus of documents within that data shelf war room. And that's how you do your initial content stand up for your new organization. Now, important note, if you have multiple organizations, you have to do this process in each organization because the data is siloed, right? Those data structures are completely separated. If you create Acme Corp 2 so that you can invite partners, or because it works on a different product or service offering, you have to do this process of ingesting your data into that organization also. The data does not cross over between organizations. And that's all there is to it.